Yes, come in. Hello, Mom. Good morning.
Yes, good morning, Mom Rods. Have a seat.
Thank you, Ma'am.
I called you for feedbacking based on your teaching demonstration this morning.
Okay, Ma'am.
Anyway, congratulations for
Thank
a job
you,
well
Ma'am.
done. You did your best. I'm so proud of you. So, what did you feel during your teaching demonstration? I mean, after your teaching demonstration?
Okay, Mom. Thank you so much for your time. Actually, I really felt pressured at the beginning of my lesson, but as I moved through the activities, I felt at ease and I got my confidence back. And maybe I have delivered the lesson successfully.
Oh, I am also happy because you were able to deliver your demonstration, and as your supervisor, I am willing to help you grow and become a better teacher and an effective teacher.
Wow, thank you, Mom.
Yes, so what are the problems that you encountered during your teaching demonstration?
Yes, Mom. Actually, I really have this difficulty every time I have my class because, I have 33 pupils. It's really hard to manage them, especially at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. They are not that attentive enough. I noticed during the demonstration, some are not listening to me. Only a few of them are listening attentively. Some are sleepy, and perhaps others are already sleeping, Mom. As much as I want to call their attention and reprimand them, I have limited time. And I just let them listen. At least they are not doing noise. And another thing, Mom, is the comprehension and the lack of vocabulary. From grades 1 to grade 3, our medium of instruction is MTB. And my lesson is understanding the story. So they really have that hard time understanding and comprehending some of the words. So that's it, Mom. They cannot relate, they cannot share about it because they do not understand the story or some of the words in it.
Okay, I also noticed that one, ma'am. So, as your supervisor, I am very much willing to help you grow as a teacher and to become more effective in your teaching. So, what will you do to address that problem?
I think, Mom, next time I should have think of a better strategy
Yeah,
that will catch the people's attention.
very good.
And with regards to the comprehension and the lack of vocabulary, maybe I have to do bridging. If possible, I have to translate from Bisaya or Cebuano to English. And I will try my best to use very simple and common words that are familiar to them.
That's it. So, in addition with that, I think you have to carefully plan your instruction to account for your large class. So, with that, you can minimize these challenges and teach effectively to a big group.
Okay, ma'am.
Another tips is you have to keep everyone busy so that they will have their time doing their assignment given to you.
Okay.
And then you have to use flexible grouping. Yes, because we all know that all classes have students at different ability levels who learn at different paces. Okay? Because a large class size requires greater student independence, you have to put a lot of thoughts into how you want to group students for a particular lesson. Don't be afraid to move your kids from group to another group depending upon their ability. Because we know that each student students have different
Skills.
yeah, and we know that each child have multiple intelligence.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Another thing is you have to make your lesson. Do not make it too long. Now let's proceed to your teaching demonstration during the introduction. So as I observe, your motivation is very engaging, and that is a good point. Another thing is your visual aids, or I mean instructional materials, are very eye-catching.
Wow.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Indeed, I have spent sleepless nights
Yeah.
preparing it.
You should be proud of your works. So let's proceed to your discussion. You deliver it with confidence.
Wow.
Yeah,
Thank you, ma'am.
that's a good point as a teacher in dealing your students. They are really listening to you because you were very active, you were very enthusiastic in delivering your lesson, and pupils become very active listening to you. But on the other side, I have observed that you did not use hands questions. Yes, you were using when, where, and I couldn't remember that you use how questions, how, why questions. Yes. So, what do you think? Why we have to use such questions?
Maybe for them to think critically.
Yeah, very good. That's it. So we have to use such questions. Not just we don't limit our students' idea with what questions, when questions. Yes, because it's not challenging to your pupils. Yes. If we use such questions, we were able to let our pupils think critically, and we help them develop their critical thinking. They can think logically, and they can comprehend well because hot questions can really help them think and process their idea.
Yes, ma'am. I agree.
Okay.
Next time.
Yes, that's it. I love it if you could do it next time.
Okay.
Another thing that is, I also observe that you call your student first and then ask questions, which is, I think, is it good or is it better, or what do you think would be better?
Yes, ma'am. Some of them cannot answer me correctly.
Yeah.
So maybe I have to give time for them to think of the correct answer, of the best answer. So better to give them more time before calling their names.
So it means that you are going to ask the question
First,
First.
and let them raise hand if
okay. You have to wait your pupils to raise their hand
yes, ma'am.
to answer, because we know that not all students are fast learners. So we know so if we ask questions, there are many students there preparing their answer, and then if we ask questions, if we call our student directly and they're not ready, we know that they can answer but they're not ready. So it's not their fault that they can't answer the questions because they are not ready.
Okay, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So much better
Thank you for that tip, ma'am.
Yeah. It is very helpful to our students. That's all for the discussion. But then your discussion is very energetic. That's the lacking point.
Yes.
So overall, you have a great teaching performance. I hope to see you improving the next time you have your class discussion or a teaching demonstration or dealing with your pupils.
All right, mom. I will really try my best. Thank you
Okay.
so much, mom, for your tips, and I hope I can make it to become better next time.
Thank you for understanding and thank you for being open-minded.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Mom Rods. Congratulations.
Salamat.